Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
So, care of the old with the heart of gold. The old is gold is our concept. We always respect old people. So, under such terms, IMA's role is known to everybody. And Chamber of Commerce is also concerned everywhere. Chamber is always in the front runner. And Cancer Society, I need not tell much about that. All these three organizations, they are working hard for the betterment of the people, and of course we are also our amount given. I don't know secretary how much they give. Anyway, Raj Bhavan is concerned. Our poor fund, I am calling because the governor has got the discretionary fund. Discretion is not strictly any auditing or anything. Governors are getting that fund. I decided to give it to the public purposes, and as a part of the same, only nominal amount may be there in that cover.
The number of elderly in our state, in our country is increasing very fast because we had a vast young population. And now in Goa we have a very special situation because many of our youth have gone abroad, leaving behind the elderly. And there is a lot of concern because these elderly are faced with numerous problems, both medical and psychological. We will be identifying the various medical and psychological issues that the elderly face and how we should treat them. 7 branches of IMA, we are going to take up certain of the old age home.
Today is a new dimension to our activities to serve the people, the poor, the vulnerable and the underprivileged.
A very noble cause which Food Safety and Standards Authority of India is propagating through its initiative of Save Food, Share Food.
We have been feeding about 5,000 people pre-COVID with our 38 fridges which were installed across Goa. We pick food from factories, from bakeries, from hotels, from restaurants.
In such a way, our Raj Bhavan scheme, of course, first time in the history of our country, to be able to do that. This is also a food providing. The scheme also now 100 food packets in a week. If fund is available, our Raj Bhavan, our secretary and others will try to increase it.